Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on this attacks. So attacks and getting hit parts. So for now, the enemy character doesn't really have any AI or any other reaction other than the hit reaction. So yeah. Also he doesn't die yet. So those are the but I want to work on getting hit part and attacking part. So those are the things I'm gonna cover today. And this episode is sponsored by this generous patron. Thank you very much for the support. Right, so far we have been worked on this attack animation. So like this, and today let's add a opponent character, an NPC enemy, and see how to deal with damage to that character. So first let's create from this side scroller character. How should we do this? We can create a child class, but then this camera component will also be there for the enemy, which is not good. So yeah, anyway, let's create a child character. Let's call it side scroller. No, NPC. Yeah, let's just call it NPC. And let's create another child character. Let's call it player. All right, and where is this? Oh, we don't really have any references to the spray arms or the side view camera, which is great. So I'll just copy this. No, cut it. Oh wait, where was it attached? Nothing. Cool. I'll just cut this from the side scroller character and compile. Now let's go to the player and paste it. Was it like this? I'm not sure. Let's check. Can we undo? Yeah, it is like that. Okay, cut again, compile. All right, now since but when I play it doesn't have a camera because this is the side scroller character, so let's remove it and let's drag and drop this character, which is then let's possess this character. Right, okay, everything is back to normal. Now let's open this NPC character and let's see, can we change the color? Oh yeah, create a material instance. Instead of this body color, let's do something like this. Let's use red. And use it for the NPC like this. Now let's put an NPC character also here. Okay, good. So far it doesn't do show any reaction to the player. So then let's do something like this. Not in the player, not in the NPC. Let's call other tabs. In the side scroller character, when we do the attack, how do we check for the hits? Right. So let's go back to this melee combat interface, and here let's add another function, check hit. As the input, I'll give a character, no, just an actor reference. Let's call it attacker. We might need this later, maybe, even though it's maybe not now. And then another parameter, a vector attack location. Right, now when this character do the attack, so let's go to each of these montages and let's add the montage notifier here. Like this. Let's call it attack. No, maybe check it, but it don't require the name, and we need to do this for all other montages. Let's use the same name, check hit. For now, actually, this name doesn't matter, but I'm gonna keep defining it anyway. So here we have multiple points. One is here, and another one is here. And another one is here. Alright, that's all I guess. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now when we play this montage, we have this on notify begin event. So here, right, for this we will need another event to check whether we are hitting another character. So for that also, well, let's change this name a little bit. Let's call this one get hit. Alright, and then let's add another function called check hits. Alright, now I'll implement check hits like this, and then I'll call check hits using this interface like this. Not necessary to use the interface, but let's do it anyway. Outside, let's rename this attack and check hits. Now here, so we need to have a reference to see if there are enemies surrounding us. So for that, let's do multi or what kind of a trace we can do. Multi sphere trace for objects. Okay, let's do this. And for the objects types, let's use pawn actors to ignore no need to do that, I guess. Debug type, let's say for duration, and for the starting position, let's say depth location. Can we use the same location? I guess so. For the radius, I'll give 400. Right, now we are calling the check hits. Okay, right. Okay, the traces are happening, but I think 400 is too large. Say 50. No, 100. Right. Okay, so here we get, as the hits, we get a list of hits sorted along the trace from start to finish. But as you can see here, we get multiple hit points for the trace, these red dots, for the same object. So therefore I only need unique objects. So for each loop, let's promote these. Let's add, so these are array elements. Yeah, let's break this. And the hit actor, let's add unique to a array. So this should be an array of object reference. Oh, wait, let's call it nearby enemies. Now before I do this, I need to make sure that I am clearing out that array. So by doing this, I can get an array of unique enemies around the player into this array. Oh, sorry, this should be actor type. Now when it is completed, we can do another for each loop. This is required because when there are multiple enemies nearby, we need to hit all of them. So get the nearby enemies, and on those actors, let's call get hit interface, call like this. So oh, wait, no, get hit message, not the interface call, like this. And then as the attacker, I'm gonna use self, and as the attack location, well, for that let's ignore it. No, well, actually we can give the sword location. No, let's ignore it for now. Why make it more complex? Right now we need to implement get hit in action also. So get hit event here. So I have imported a reaction animation somewhere. Yeah, this too. Oh, what's happening here? This one, and another reaction is this. Okay. Oh, it's the same. Alright. Anyway, let's create an animation montage with this, and here I'll enable root motion because I need to freeze the character. I mean, not freeze, I need the character to prevent moving using the standard locomotion when we are doing this. So right here, maybe we can play another sound. Let's see what's a suitable sound for this. Okay, just like this grunt, let's create a pain sound, and instead of these, let's use this hurt sounds. Like this, and let's play it here, and we need to play this montage when the character get hit. Play montage. So here also, if you want, we can add an array and play random animations or do something, but for now let's keep it simple. Let's play this one animation. Alright, and I'll stop here for this episode. And the project files will be available for the download through the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.